Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize investment knowledge with Investopedia, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Investopedia website. Once you're on the home page, familiarize yourself with the layout. Look for the navigation menu at the top of the page. Explore the education section to find a range of resources. Click on Investing to access specific investment-related articles. Take note of the various subcategories available. Select topics that interest you, such as stocks, bonds, or ETFs. Utilize the search bar for specific queries or investment concepts. Read the articles thoroughly to gain foundational knowledge. As you read, take notes on key points and definitions. Consider following their tutorials and how-to guides for practical insights. Look for Investopedia's financial calculators to apply what you learn. Explore their dictionary for definitions of terms you don't understand. Check out the markets section to stay updated on current trends. Engage with their video content for visual learning. Join Investopedia's community forums to discuss topics with other investors. Ask questions and share your insights to deepen your understanding. Track your progress by revisiting topics that challenge you. Utilize Investopedia's quizzes to test your knowledge on various subjects. Consider subscribing to their newsletters for regular updates. Remember to review your notes periodically to reinforce your learning. Finally, apply your knowledge in real-world scenarios to enhance your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.